SENG Electronic Appliance Cooperation is a professional kitchen products manufacturer in China nearly 20 years. We possess 120,000 square meter manufacturing base and 800 dedicated staff. Our exporting products include superior quality range hoods, freestanding gas ranges, stainless steel kitchen cabinets, and handmade sinks. In our high-efficient Automatic Industry 4.0 workshop, our Excelsior engineers and technicians operate numerous world-advanced laser equips and precise numerical control machines to produce various kinds of exquisite kitchen appliances. Our factory carries out rigorous quality inspection systems to control the quality comprehensively. Each of our workers has undergone rigorous training, and each step has clear product standards. We pay careful attention to update the product details and equips, actively improve the quality levels to meet the high demand of the international market. We have national certified CNAS laboratory and Intertech authorized satellite laboratory. Our testing projects include durability, thermal laboratory, oil separate degree, air performance, EMC project, gas performance, non-metal material test, noise level, environment and packaging test, odor reduction test, chromatographic analysis, etc. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Our products have ETL, CETL, CB, GS, CE, SAA, CCC approval to meet the demands of different overseas markets. We have established prolonged and win-win business relationships with customers in the USA, Canada, Europe, South America, Middle East, South Asia, etc. Our unchanging mission is to provide high-quality kitchen appliances to our customers, and our factory sustain develop novel and popular items of kitchen appliances every year to meet the consumer request in different markets. Our original motivation is pursuing novel kitchen products with high quality and high cost performance. We warmly welcome you to visit our manufacturing base and forward your requirements in accordance with our changing market. We are looking forward to expanding our international market on the basis of our mutual effort.